Today's topic is, what is a CapeVerdean? I'm going to try to make this as not boring as possible. I've explained it numerous times in my life, and I've gotten into robot mode when I do explain it. CapeVerdean. It is a person who is from Cape Verde. Cape Verde, or Cabo Verde. Cabo means place, Verde means green, green place. It's located on the west coast of Africa, near the Ivory Coast. Right there, right in the circle. You see it? There you go. There are 10 obscure islands. They're discovered by the Portuguese. Essentially, it is Afro-Portuguese mix. Some people have Jewish in there. I have Jewish ethnicity in there. Proof, because I have an uncle who does genealogy. He did a DNA sampling and found Semitic strands of DNA. Those Jewish traders or merchants or immigrants came from the Morocco regions. They've been discovering more and more Jewish people in Cape Verdean lineage. I also have some more European, other than Portuguese. I have French. My great grandfather's name is Armand Montrond, came from the south of France. He went to Cape Verde. Guess he fell in love, and here I am. The Afro-Portuguese mix of Cape Verdeans. Now, some Cape Verdeans tend to take on more of the African culture, some more of the Portuguese. My parents have decided more of Portuguese. I like to embrace every single part. I didn't really grow up in a Cape Verdean community. A lot of Cape Verdeans reside on the northeastern region of the U.S., or Rhode Island is totally taken over by them. I have a lot of family out there. Massachusetts. A lot of us live here to have opportunities. My parents emigrated here, and I'm going to school. And I think a lot of the reason why they don't stand out, or you don't hear a lot about them, is that they just meld in with the rest of culture and the rest of society, which I think is like sad, because it's such a fun culture, great people, great food, and beautiful people. Like, I just wish that they did something more to stand out in our melting pot society. But most Cape Verdeans just kind of slip under the radar and go to school, have their high paying jobs, and that's it. My parents, it's interesting how they met. My mom is from Fogo, that's how it's pronounced, Fogo. And my dad is from Brava, or Jabrava. And those islands are right across from each other. If you stand on the coast, from what they've told me, unless they were kidding, you can see the other island. That's how close they are. And they met here in the States, in Massachusetts. So a lot of people come up to me and ask, "Are you Dominican? Are you Portuguese?" No, I haven't gotten Portuguese, sorry. Are you Puerto Rican? Black and white, are you mulatto, Cambodian, Indian, if my hair's done right. See, I got the African part of me. My hair is curly. Curly, very curly. Woo! That's another thing. Cape Verdeans can range in all different colors, all different hair types, all different eye colors. Green, blue, brown, honey. My mom's eye color is honey. I have a few family members with green or blue eyes. I had a brother who had blonde hair when he was little. It was straight, and then he had some kind of genetic mutation, and it turned curly. I don't know. Because the French in my family, all different skin types. I'm in the middle, just tan. My mom's pretty light. I've seen they're really dark Cape Verdeans, and really light. So They come in all different shades, and there really isn't a stereotype for Cape Verdeans, I guess, unless you're like really within the community. You can't really joke around about it because you don't get it. Like my parents are really cheesy, but that's them. I think they vary in every region that they're in, whatever culture that they're in, or whatever island they're from. They're so different. Like Praia and Fogo, Brava and Fogo are like day and night. I don't know how my friends get along, but yeah. That is pretty much my spiel on my ethnicity. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.